Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking kitchen. Today I'm going to show you one of my mom's simple and easy recipes to make and one of my sister's favorites, fried cauliflower. So let's go. Here's what you need. Seriously, that's it. Start off by blanching the cauliflower. Then take the egg, salt and pepper and whisk away. Now add a splash of water and combine it. Now dip the cauliflower in egg wash, then the sifted flour, and shake it so you'll get a light coating. Over medium-high heat, gently place the cauliflower and fry until golden on every side, even the heads. If you're looking for a non-fried cauliflower recipe, I'll leave a link up here and in the description below. Told you it's an easy and simple recipe. It was really hard not eating all of it when I was done filming. Drop a comment or two telling me how yours turned out. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell, and share it with your friends. You can also follow this channel on social media, but most importantly, bon appetit!